If you are trying to decide which information technology career path is actually worth learning right now, but you feel confused by people constantly recommending cloud computing, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data analytics, or software development, this video will help you understand the decision clearly. These skills are commonly used across cloud teams, analytics environments, cybersecurity operations, automation workflows, or its support roles depending on the learning direction. In this video, I will explain how this path works, who it is best suited for, what career options it leads to, and what beginners should realistically expect before choosing it. Many beginners struggle because the internet gives completely different advice every day. Some people say artificial intelligence is the future. Others say cybersecurity is safest. Some recommend cloud computing, while others push data analytics. Because of this confusion, many learners waste time jumping randomly between tutorials without building a clear direction. The reality is that the fastest growing information technology careers are usually connected to technologies companies are actively using today. Some of the strongest growth areas include cloud computing, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence systems, automation, and data analytics. Companies now want professionals who understand connected systems instead of isolated technologies. For example, cloud systems connect deeply with cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence tools depend heavily on data systems. Automation also requires infrastructure knowledge. This creates strong demand for adaptable professionals. What this topic actually means is understanding where business technology is moving over the next 5 years. Businesses are automating tasks, improving digital security, processing more data, and integrating intelligent systems into operations and customer environments. That is why careers connected to cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence operations, and analytics are growing rapidly. One important question many learners ask at this stage is whether this path is strong enough on its own or whether it works better when combined with certifications or structured courses. For most beginners, structured learning helps because employers increasingly prefer practical, foundational skills combined with visible learning progress. Career directions related to this path can include cloud support specialist, cybersecurity analyst, data analyst, artificial intelligence operations, assistant automation support engineer, business intelligence specialist. Many beginners also explore structured beginner friendly courses in this area to understand the roadmap more clearly before committing to a learning direction. In a moment, I will explain what kind of learners benefit the most from choosing this direction, and who should probably consider an alternative path instead. This direction is usually best for learners who enjoy problem solving, logical thinking, and continuous learning. Difficulty level also varies. Cloud support and data analytics can be beginner friendly starting points. Cybersecurity usually requires deeper system understanding over time. Artificial intelligence paths often become easier after building programming and data foundations first. A realistic beginner timeline for employable skills can range from 6 months to 18 months, depending on consistency and practical work. Most learners who move forward in this direction usually start with one structured certification or guided learning track to build confidence step by step. Structured learning is usually more effective than random tutorials because career skills develop faster when the learning order is clear and connected. This direction is especially useful for learners who want a structured starting point before choosing advanced certifications later. You can find some helpful beginner friendly learning resources related to this path in the description if you want to explore how people usually get started step by step. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.